Chúng tôi chấp nhận giảm giá 2% như ban đầu.
We will accept the price reduction on 2% as an introductory line.
We will accept the price reduction on 2% as an introductory line.
We will accept the price reduction onto percent as an introductory line.
Tôi vui mừng vì chúng ta đã thỏa thuận được giá cả.
I am glad we have come to an agreement on price.
I am glad we have come to an agreement on price.
I am glad we have come to an agreement on price.
Tóm lại, chúng tôi đã thống nhất các điều khoản trong hợp đồng.
Finally, we agreed on the contract terms.
Finally, we agreed on the contract terms.
Finally, we agreed on the contract terms.
Chúng tôi thống nhất giá này là khả thi.
We agree the price is workable.
We agree the price is workable.
We agree the price is workable.
Bây giờ chúng tôi đặt 500 bộ.
We order 500 sets now.
We order 500 sets now.
We order 500 sets now.
2 tuần nữa chúng tôi sẽ thanh toán tiền mặt.
We'll pay cash in 2 weeks.
We'll pay cash in 2 weeks.
We'll pay cash in 2 weeks.
Tôi sẽ điền vào danh sách đơn đặt hàng.
Shall I fill an order list?
Shall I fill an order list?
Shall I fill an order list?
Giá ông đưa ra là phù hợp, chúng tôi chấp nhận.
Your price is suitable. We accept it.
Your price is suitable. We accept it.
Your price is suitable. We accept it.
Chúng tôi cung cấp dịch vụ giao hàng miễn phí.
We offer delivering service for free.
We offer delivering service for free.
We offer delivering service for free.
Hàng hóa được giao trong vòng 30 ngày.
It must be delivered within 30 days.
It must be delivered within 30 days.
It must be delivered within 30 days.